I told you that throwing away less trash could put an extra $5,000 back in your pocket every single year? In this video, I'm breaking down 15 simple zero-waste swaps that are not only better for the planet, but will actually save you serious money. Stick around till the end, because swap number 13 alone could save you over $200 annually.
Let's start where most waste happens, your kitchen. Swap 1. Reusable food wraps instead of plastic wrap. Single-use plastic wrap costs the average family about $50 per year. Beeswax wraps or silicone lids?
A one-time purchase of $20 to $30 that lasts for years. That's immediate savings. Plus, you're keeping hundreds of feet of plastic out of landfills. Swap 2. Glass storage containers. Those plastic containers, they stain, smell, and you're replacing them constantly. A good set of glass containers costs around $40, but lasts decades. No more buying new sets every 2 years. Swap 3. Reusable coffee filters. If you're a coffee drinker, you're spending $30 to $50 monthly on paper filters. A reusable metal or cloth filter costs $15 to $35 once. Do the math. That's $500 plus saved yearly. Swap 4. Cloth napkins over paper towels. The average household spends $150 annually on paper towels. A set of 20 cloth napkins? $25 to $40 one time. They pay for themselves in 3 months. Swap 5. Bulk shopping with reusable bags. Buying in bulk with your own containers
Cuts costs by 20 to 40% compared to packaged goods. Plus, many stores offer discounts for bringing your own bags. So just with these 5 kitchen swaps, you're already looking at $200 to $300 in annual savings while dramatically reducing plastic waste. But we're just getting started. Let's move to another major source of waste and spending, your bathroom. Swap 6. Safety razor instead of disposables. Disposable razors cost $35 to $60 monthly. A quality safety razor, $30 to $50 one time. And replacement blades are pennies. You'll save $1,500 plus yearly. Swap 7. Bar shampoo and conditioner. Liquid shampoo and plastic bottles runs $18 to $32 monthly.
Shampoo bars last 2 to 3 times longer, cost less, and eliminate plastic waste. Annual savings $50 to $80. Swap 8. Reusable makeup remover pads. Cotton pads cost $5 to $8 monthly. Reusable bamboo or microfiber pads $15 to $20 for a set that lasts years. Save $60 plus annually. Swap 9. Menstrual cup or period underwear. This is huge. The average person spends $600 to $1,200 yearly on disposable products. A menstrual cup costs $300 to $400 and lasts 10 years. Period underwear is $45 to $85 per pair, but a small collection replaces everything. Lifetime savings, thousands of dollars.
Swap 10. Bamboo toothbrush. Plastic toothbrushes add up. Bamboo options cost the same, but are biodegradable. Not a huge money saver, but zero extra cost and way better for the planet. So those are your bathroom swaps, and we're already at about $400 in total annual savings, just between the kitchen and bathroom, where the biggest savings are coming up next.
Beyond the kitchen and bathroom, these swaps make a massive impact. Swap 11. Rechargeable batteries. Families spend $300 to $600 yearly on disposable batteries. A set of rechargeable batteries and charger costs $95 to $150 upfront, but lasts 5 plus years. Save $1,000 plus over their lifetime. Swap 12. LED bulbs. Not exactly zero waste, but LED bulbs use 75% less energy and last 25 times longer than incandescent bulbs. The average home saves $75 to $100 annually on electricity. Swap 13. Reusable water bottle and coffee cup. Here's the big one. Buying one $3 coffee daily costs $1,095 yearly. One $2 bottled water daily, another $730. A quality water bottle, $20 to $30, and travel mug, $15 to $25, let you make drinks at home. Even cutting purchase drinks in half saves you $500 to $900 annually. Swap 14. Cloth shopping bags. Plastic bag fees are 5 to 10 cents each in many places. Use 5 bags for grocery trip twice weekly. That's $250 to $500 yearly. Reusable bags cost $30 to $50 total. Swap 15. Second-hand shopping. This isn't a product swap, it's a mindset shift. Buying clothes, furniture, and household items secondhand cuts costs by 50 to 80%. If you spend $5,000 yearly on these items new, switching shipping to thrift stores and online marketplaces saves $1,500 to $1,800. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of upfront costs, and you're right.
But here's the strategy. Don't do everything at once. Start with 2 to 3 swaps this month. As your disposable products run out, replace them with a sustainable option. Spread the investment over 6 to 12 months. Also, many of these items make great gifts. Instead of asking for random stuff for birthdays or holidays, request these sustainable swaps. Your family will appreciate the specific suggestions. And here's a bonus tip. Track your savings. Use a simple app or spreadsheet to log what you're not buying anymore. Watching those numbers climb is incredibly motivating. The environmental impact is just as impressive. These 15 swaps can eliminate hundreds of pounds of waste from your household annually. That's plastic that won't end up in oceans, materials that won't sit in landfills for centuries. Every single swap you make creates a ripple effect. You inspire friends and family, reduce demand for disposable products.
Let's do a quick recap. We covered 15 swaps across 3 categories: kitchen swaps, reusable wraps, glass containers, coffee filters, cloth napkins, and bulk shopping; personal care, safety razors, bar shampoo, makeup remover pads, menstrual products, and bamboo toothbrushes; household, rechargeable batteries, LED bulbs, reusable bottles and cups, shopping bags, and second-hand shopping. Total potential annual savings? Well over $5,000, potentially closer to $10,000, depending on your current habits. The best part? Once you make these swaps, the savings are automatic. You're not relying on willpower or remembering to do something different. The sustainable choice becomes your new normal. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more sustainable living tips that actually save you money. Drop a comment below telling me which swap you're trying first. And if you want a printable checklist of all 15 swaps with product recommendations and cost breakdowns, I've linked that in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving into how to create a zero-waste cleaning routine using items you already have at home.